In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit subtitles in a video using Clipchamp. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful if you're looking to enhance your video content for broader accessibility or simply want to add unique captions. Let's dive into the steps to get you editing subtitles like a pro. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. Clipchamp is a powerful and user-friendly video editing tool that makes caption editing a breeze. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on Sign In. For ease of access, you can choose to continue with a Microsoft account. Just click on Continue with Microsoft Surprise, and you'll be prompted to select your Microsoft account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Clipchamp homepage, ready to start your project. Now click on Create a New Video. This will open a new video editing workspace where you can start working on your project. Next, you'll want to import your media. Click on Import Media, then simply drag and drop your video file into the workspace. After your video is uploaded, click directly on the video to ensure it's selected for editing. To manage the audio of your video, navigate to the audio section and click on it. Once there, select Detach Audio. This gives you the flexibility to manage the audio track separately from the video. Then click on the audio section to adjust playback and ensure everything is synced perfectly before captioning. Now it's time to locate the Captions option within the Clipchamp editor. Click on it and you'll have the option to automatically generate captions using AI. This feature is particularly useful for saving time and ensuring accuracy. Select the language you want your captions to be in and click on Transcribe Media. The transcription will automatically generate captions based on the language specified. Once transcribed, you'll have a complete set of captions for your video. Now, if you find any errors or want to make adjustments, you can easily edit your captions. Simply click on the caption text in the video timeline to access the editing features. Additionally, after finalizing the text of your captions, you can further customize your video by adjusting the font and color of your captions to match your branding or aesthetic preferences. Clicking on the captions within the video allows you to access various styling options. And there you have it, you've successfully edited the subtitles in your Clipchamp video. This process not only enhances the clarity and engagement of your video content,